Hello everyone, it's me again, Daniel Uy, your sales executive here at Mitsubishi Valenzuela under the GEM Corporation. GEM Corporation nga ba? Wow. And we are under the Auto Hub Group. So Auto Hub Group has lots of car brands. So we have your Hyundai, Nissan, Geely, MG, what else? Mazda. We have sports car, Lotus, Rolls Royce. We have here Vespa motorcycles and so on. So we will post it here in YouTube account. Okay. So again, we are here inside the Expander Cross, but let us assume that this is Expander only, and let's compare it with the other competitors. Okay, like Avanza, Veloz, Rush, and Innova. Okay, let's compare first the Innova and Expander. When it comes to TNBS use only, okay, again, it is a same 6-seater. Okay, but the price comparison is very deep, differs a lot. Okay, so what are the difference, and let's find out in a while. So we're back. I'm sorry for that cut. The price of the Expander is, let's talk about the automatic transmission. 1,228,000 versus the Innova 1,375 something. I don't think if they have price increase. Okay, the monthly amortization for the Expander is 23,600, while the Innova is 28,000 something. Okay, when it comes to TNBS use, the income to the both unit is the same because it is 6-seaters. Okay, and while the performance, yes, of course, the Innova will stand out. Okay, but practically speaking, if you don't have enough money to fund the expenditures for the Innova, at least you take the lower one, the Expander, and you might ended up having a gross income of 6,000 per day for 12 hours driving. Okay, so why don't you avail the lower one, and you don't pressure yourself having a monthly amortization like that. And hirap pala mag-English. So nagpaplano kasi ako mag-take ng na I am planning to take law. Okay, that's why I'm trying my best to speak in English, and I know that time as time goes by, I will perfect my English. Okay, I'm sorry for this kind of English speaking, and I'm encouraging everyone to be budgetarian when it comes to availing car for TNBS, because you might end up like mine. So I applied July 23, 2023, I think, and last week, January, today is January, what day is it today? So today is January 27. So I found out that my application to Grab was return to Grab from the law firm because they cannot accommodate anymore. So buy the practical unit. Okay, so you can contact me at my number posted at the description down below. Okay, so see you here and in our dealership. Bye.